Angry guy here, and today I'm discussing why cryptocurrency is replacing fiat because it has to. I tell you, it's getting tough out there. Thanks to these patrons, and special thanks to these patrons right here. Sharky, Mickey Turner, GNU, Link Neurons, Cryptonomy Royal 2.5, B Backs, Brian A. Pierre Martel, David Herrera, Dead Lust, F.A. Crusader, Gabriel Prince, Goo Monster, Hansky, Iceberg 88, John Charles Clark Jr., Joshua Flores, Levi Abram, Mocking Moniker, Nature Monk, Raymond Zuniga, Red Pill Blue Mage, St. Everett, CPO Americanus, Scott Venman, Thomas Daniel, Timothy Bruce Leoza, David Strong, and Tim Myers. Thank you guys for your continued support. And as you guys can see the guys, those patrons, those guys that I just read the list of, those guys are in the ones in the crypto tier and above. Those are the guys in the crypto tier or above, okay? I don't know if you guys noticed, but that list just keeps on growing. And cryptocurrency is replacing fiat right now because it has to. I want you guys to remember what happened during the Roaring 20s, right before the Great Depression hit. The stock markets were at like this insane height, okay? And people believe that things were much better off than they actually were, okay? Does anyone remember any of this? People believe that things were much better off than they actually were, when in reality, things were bad. And when I say bad, I mean really, really bad. People were living a fast life. They were throwing away money. Everything was completely skewed. And then the Great Depression hit. And not only did the Great Depression hit, well, let's talk about how this happened. The Great Depression, a lot of people think, happened solely because of the stock market crash. That was only one of the factors in the Great Depression. You see, everyone was so focused on Wall Street that they weren't focused on Main Street. Main Street meaning the average person, how the average person is faring, how the average person is doing. All right? Exactly what we see today. But everyone is twiddling their fingers, tapping their toes. They're like, bro, it's cool. Bro, it's okay. There's money out there. To this day, I still get so many horrible comments being left on my videos by MGTOWs. Okay? So many horrible comments. For example, the list of people that I read to you, those are people in the crypto tier and above. And there are people who literally say that list is fake. And you know what the people on that list say? The people on that list say, don't help these people anymore. Guys, I want you to think about this carefully. These people are out there. Just all they're doing is taking jabs, dropping insults, as everything is crashing around us right now. Okay? Guys, there's a lot of people amongst us who have experienced homelessness, that have lived in RVs, which is nice compared to all outright homelessness, and people who have literally lived in tent cities. Okay? This is no game. It's no game. Everybody is aware right now. Everybody's like, yeah, we're in a depression. We're in a depression, all right? And no one wants to talk about it. It's so funny. I'm gonna show you guys an article right now discussing where the next recession is. Right now, Bitcoin is still above $5,000, and it can go up, come down a little bit. Guys, if you're not investing right now, I'm sorry for you. if you're not investing in cryptocurrency right now, and like I said, you shouldn't be investing in Bitcoin because most of you can't afford to buy a single Bitcoin. Most of you don't have $5,000 to throw to just laying around. You should be investing in specific cryptocurrencies that are going to bring huge returns. Okay, a good example is going to be, for example, Bitcoin Cash. That's one cryptocurrency that I've talked about on my Patreon, where literally that cryptocurrency is going to go back to $2,000 and above. Okay, so there's usually like a 10, like usually when whatever Bitcoin is, BCH is usually around 10% of that. Right now, BCH is way undervalued. So when Bitcoin hits 20,000 again, or even less, it's going to hit, BCH is going to go back up to 2,000 or more. I'm just telling you that right now, okay? When Bitcoin hits $30,000, Bitcoin Cash is going to hit at least 3,000 in my opinion, maybe 5,000. They already have Bitcoin Cash ATMs being developed right now, but so many people are so asleep. They're so asleep right now, right? And, middle America, Main Street, no one wants to talk about it. Everyone is trying to completely avoid the obvious that, yeah, we're in a pretty nasty recession right now. We're in a really nasty recession, but everyone is tiddling their fingers, twiddling their toes, and acting like it's going to be okay. Guys, I told you, many of you can't make it through homelessness. I'm being really honest with you. Many of you can't make it through homelessness. I'm just going to be honest. You don't have what it takes. You cannot make it through homelessness, okay? I want you to look at the screen. So this is from CNBC, okay? MSNBC. And this is from April 10th. Tim Ryan, there's a recession in middle America. Wow. What do you know? Okay. Here's another one. This one's from economist Paul Krugman on the next recession, wages and unions. All right. And here's what he actually says. Paul Krugman, this is from CNBC as well. This is today, or 18 hours ago. The next recession downturn will be a smorgasbord recession. Forbes, recession realities. I mean, guys, are you sleeping? Risk of earnings recession rises as S&P 500 profits to fall for first time in 3 years. Seeking Alpha says the next recession just got closer. There's so many of you asleep at the wheel right now. Traders are holding their breath on evidence of first earnings recession for three years. I think that's what it says. There's another one for you from CNBC. U.S. earnings may fall into recession, but Blackstone says it's still bullish on stocks. Guys, do you hear this nonsense? U.S. earnings may fall into recession. Okay, so they're saying that the U.S. economy may fall into recession, but he's still bullish on the stock market. Guys, these guys are insane. He's saying that you guys, not the stock market. They're saying that no. The next recession won't affect Wall Street. It's only going to affect Main Street. Guys, are you insane? Are you insane? Okay? So all the rich people are saying, all the Wall Street guys are like, we're not worried about this because it's only going to affect the people who are poor. All right, it's only going to affect those poor people. Look at this. Put cumin on your recession buy list. Look at this one. This is from Market Watch. Ominous storm clouds warn of worldwide recession. Well, I'd be like, where are you guys? Are you guys just I'd be laying in bed, what is going on with you? What's going on with you? Because if you are not awake, if you're not seeing what is coming and the dangers and the misery that we are actually facing worldwide, then you've completely disconnected from reality. Okay, you've completely disconnected from reality. We are in the recession. We're in the recession, guys. And I'm telling you, mass poverty. A lot of you guys can't afford it. A lot of you guys can't even afford to buy your medication. Some of you are on high blood pressure medication. You think I didn't know about that? Some of you are taking medication for your ADHD, all of that crap, all right? All of that crap. Some of y'all have herpes and you're trying to get medication for your herpes. Don't think I didn't know about that, all right? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm not judging you. All I'm saying is you're not going to have an easy time getting that kind of medication when you could barely afford food. I'm just letting y'all know how it is. Just letting you know. It's no joke out there. It's no joke. And y'all are sitting on your hands. You're sitting on your hands. Guys, you think that we're not seeing the bull run right now. This is just this is like a pre-game show. I just want y'all to know. This is the pre-game show. This is not the bull run right now. This ain't the bull run right now on crypto. This is just a pre-game show. Guys, you will be able to, guys, in the last bull run, I made $160,000 from my crypto investments. $160,000. All right? I want you guys to look at this very carefully. I want you guys to look at the screen very carefully. Here you go. So look at that right there. Okay? Let's look at this together. Bitcoin and Ethereum trading volume, this is a day ago, reaches crypto bull run peak levels. Crypto bull run peak levels. Here's another one for you. Investor, if Bitcoin breaks 6,200, it may mark the start of a major bull run. Here's another one. Bull run will commence after break of current resistance, crypto analysts. What's going on with you guys? I told y'all. It's going to be rough out there. If you haven't invested in crypto by now, you're headed towards your last chance. Because like I said, when you should be selling, okay? When you should be selling is when everyone is buying, and when you should be buying is when everyone is selling. You still have the opportunity to buy right now, but you should be buying crap coins. Because most of you can't afford a single Bitcoin. You should be buying crap coins. You could take $100 and turn $100 into $10,000. Just like that. But many of you are sitting on your hands. Many of you are too comfortable where you are right now. Because you're not hungry. You're not desperate enough. You don't want it badly enough. I'm just being honest with you. You're taking it too simple. All right? These guys, I see the comments that some people are leaving on these videos. They're in complete and utter denial. The people who are leaving nonsensical comments, attacking me, insulting me, coming, I'm thinking to myself, dude, you're going to be the way you're acting, you're going to be broke. You're not going to be able to survive. You don't even know how many people right now actually know how to survive without having a 9-to-5 job. I'm just being honest with you right now. Okay, guys? I have not had an actual 9-to-5 job in, let me see. It's been 6 years. It's been 6 years. 6 years since I held a 9-to-5 job. 6. I have not had a 9-to-5 job in 6 years. 6. And by the grace of God, I've been able to survive without a 9-to-5 job. I have my own business. All right? People could talk crap about me, but guess what? My rent gets paid. My rent gets paid. I can survive without working a 9-to-5 job. How many of you can say that you can do the same thing? I've already talked about day trading cryptocurrency, that a lot of you are going to try turning to day trading cryptocurrency because that's going to be the first option that you have. You know, learning the skills to do these things is very, very important. But many of you are sitting on your hands because you think it's a game, because you think you have time. It's funny. You always think you have time. Here's another video. Look at this one. Why Bitcoin will reach $200,000 in next bull run. This one is from Crypto R Us on April 5th. Bitcoin bull market for next 2 years, according to Brian Kelly. Oh my gosh. I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's like there's a lot of people who like living in poverty, and then they like to blame everyone else when they're struggling. All right? I'm just gonna be honest with you. Don't blame any group of people for your struggle, for your foolishness, for your nonsense, for your inability to invest. How much anti-Semitic things do we hear on a daily basis? People blaming Jewish people for their own lack of foresight, for their own unity, for their ability to stick together and to work together and to invest in their community and in themselves and in their children. Because the typical American doesn't do that. The typical American can't find $400 for an emergency. $400. Guys, the poverty that we are about to witness is going to be ridiculous. Everyone's going to be turning to crypto also because many people won't be able to have a bank account anymore. Everyone's going to be in an overdraft. So all of those people are going to have to turn somewhere. You know where they're going to turn to? The crypto economy. They're going to buy a Bitcoin like it's gold because it's digital gold. And then people are going to start investing in day trading crap coins. But no one listens. No one listens. It's funny. All those people who've been attacking me and are still attacking me, I forgive them. I forgive them. But when they come begging for help, asking for help, I'm going to turn them to God. I'm going to turn them to God, which is what you're supposed to do. Like, no, you attack me. I can't trust you. I don't trust you. Go find God. Go find God. Don't apologize. Go talk to God. That's what I'm going to tell them. Go talk to God. I'm not God. I'm just a mortal. Everything that I have, everything that I succeed at, it's only because of God. Okay? Go talk to God. Oh, but God wants you. How do you know that? The Bible tells me so. Now you know about the Bible. Go talk to God. So I'm going to tell him. I'm going to chase him off and tell him to go talk to God. Like I said, guys, you need to learn the very basics of investing in crypto, because if you don't know how to invest by this point, you're going to get robbed. You're going to get robbed, taken advantage of. Let me see here. Byte says all meds can be bought online or the dark web. You see, like you guys are crazy. Dr. Big Tom says I bought 1 billion strong hands crap coin. Good mad. Daytrading says morning, just woke up. Dr. Big Tom says a 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. job is better. Says no way. You think the next bull run will last 2 years? It's okay. So let me explain what's actually going to happen. You guys need to stop doing this nonsense where you try to time the market. Do not try to time the market. Do I think that it will last 2 years? Could last longer, actually. Don't get me wrong, there's going to be ups and downs. But let's do some research. When did the .com, okay, let's find that out. When did the .com bubble start, okay? The .com bubble started in 1995. And don't forget the .com, guys, everything is about .com right now. All the companies that survived the bubble became companies worth hundreds of billions of dollars today. Apple became $1 trillion company, but everyone's asleep, right? This is the reason why you diversify and you hold. You don't just try to exit the market. You don't try to time the market, and you take profit. So the .com bubble started in 1995 and it bursted in 2001. So the .com era, the .com bubble actually went for 6 years. 6 years. And Bitcoin is still very, very confusing. Crypto is very, very confusing for most people. Most people don't understand cryptocurrency. You got to be kidding me. It's very, very confusing. B Back says Bitcoin is halving in 2020. What that means, guys, is that the difficulty to mine it is actually going to increase. So it's going to become more difficult to mine Bitcoin. And as a result of that, it's going to become even more, new Bitcoins are going to become even more scarce. And everyone believes that may actually be what's also triggering this the bull run right now. But to be very honest with you, Bitcoin is way undervalued. The current utility of Bitcoin right now and the way it's being used globally, shoots. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think saying that Bitcoin is worth $20,000 right now a coin is a very low estimate. My opinion is that Bitcoin is worth a minimum of between $30,000 to $50,000, maybe as much as $75,000 to $100,000 a coin right now, based on its utility and its usage. Okay, I'm telling you that right now. And you know what's interesting? I told you guys that we're going to see the markets climb. I told you we're going to see a big gut jump come in April. I think I said you guys are going to think it's an April Fool's joke. All right. And then like April 1st, boom, the markets exploded. Do you remember that? Dr. MGTOW says, I heard that the next bull run will be the last bull run. Not exactly. So keep in mind, we may actually end up with the bull run that we're talking about is going to be so massive that when you see it, it's going to be insane. Another thing to understand is that as the technology manifests and it improves, there's going to be also other things happening. Cryptocurrency is very, very different. And it's very, very different from something like the .com era. It's very different from stock. It's very different from Wall Street in general. This is something that people don't understand. The reason why it's very different is because people who are developing cryptocurrency platforms right now, working in crypto in the blockchain area, these are projects that in many times will take anywhere from 10 years to even 20 years or more to complete. There's a lot of projects that started being worked on, cryptocurrency projects that started like 5, 6, 7 years ago. I know you're like, what the heck? Yeah. B Back says Litecoin is halving this August. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up. Yeah, guys, Litecoin is the silver to Bitcoin's gold. But if y'all want to sit on your hands, have fun with that. But anyway, cryptocurrency, this surge, the growth is going to be so massive, and people don't understand that people that work on these blockchain projects are working on them from their bedrooms. They're working at them at their own at their own pace. It's crazy. So there's many projects, huge projects that are being worked on and handled over time. And these projects are going to take off in the coming years. And this could actually trigger other runs as well. But you have to understand that right now, crypto is only like $100 billion market. All right. And the entire fiat, like global currency market is like well over $100 trillion. The bonds market is something like $30 trillion. Okay. And crypto is not even $100 million, not even $1 trillion yet. Okay. Apple is still bigger than the entire crypto market, guys. One company, Apple is still bigger than the entire crypto market. Microsoft is still bigger than the entire crypto market. Facebook is still bigger than the entire crypto market. Okay? Think about that very carefully. And the blockchain industry there are so many companies behind this right now that are jumping on and that are investing and building into this. So you guys really haven't seen anything yet. Don't forget, guys, I literally tell you guys what you should be investing in, what cryptocurrencies you should be purchasing, what crap coins you should be stocking up on. Because we call them crap coins, but they're not entirely crap coins, right? They are solid investments that have long-term prospect. Okay? But if you don't want to be taken advantage of, if you don't want to be robbed, then you need to go out there and you need to invest. You need to know the rules. You need to know what to invest. Guys, all those people who bought the coins that I told them to invest like 2 months ago, they made money. Mickey Turner made more money, he said, on BCH than anything else. All right? Let's sit on your hands. Keep on fooling around. Okay? Because like I said, Sharky's not going to bail you out. Mickey Turner's not going to bail you out. Nature Monk sure as heck isn't going to bail y'all out. All right? Keep sitting on your hands. Keep fooling around. Keep up with that nonsense. See where it gets you. I've already said to you, homelessness is not fun. Homelessness, I would not wish homelessness on my worst enemy. Because it's terrible. All right? And for many of you, it's going to be much worse than it was ever for me. Much, much worse. Because you're going to be going through it when there's like millions of people homeless. Tens of millions of people homeless. All right? And the MRAs, they're already out. The MRAs are already out there. They got that entire system on lock. They know the best soup kitchens. They know where to go get themselves some tampons. You'd be surprised who the MRAs, how creative they can be. They know how to serve. They know what to do. They've been running that system. So if you think you're just going to invade in their territory, you got something else coming. All right, the MRAs know what they're doing when it comes to the welfare state, because they've been fighting for welfare for decades now. So if you think you're gonna end up homeless and start collecting some welfare and handouts, there's a line, buddy. There's a line. It's women and children, MRAs, and then the rest of you. All right. Then the rest of you. It's women and children, MRAs, and then the rest of your sorry bunch. Like I said, guys, I teach you guys what to invest in. If you go over to my Patreon, which is patreon.com/angrymctal, you can look at, we have the ultimate fan tier, which is $30. There's only 2 spots left right now. And you're going to learn about crypto investing tips, wealth building tips, you're going to get crypto support, which is direct. You can direct message me a crypto question. So if you have a problem, this is what a lot of people do. They message me and they're like, hey, I don't know what to do. I'm having a problem with my account. I can't move over cryptocurrency, or should I be investing in this, or how much profit should I take? And I actually tell you. All right, I give you the actual answers, and this is something where shoots like $1,000. All right, you also get your name in the credits, and you also get bonuses like my monthly my favorite anims, gaming, special shout outs, and so forth. So there's a bunch of other tips, perks, but the main fact is that this is the crypto and wealth building tier, and you're going to learn crypto investing tips, wealth building tips. I'm going to tell you the coins that you should be investing in. You're going to get all of that. We've got also the Ascended fan tier. There's only 9 spots left on this one. On this tier, I coach you and motivate you. I'll send you a monthly coaching list of goals. I'll give you a one-on-one 10-minute conversation once a month, and we'll basically go over what your goals are and how you're going to reach that, and work with you to optimize your cryptocurrency strategy and all previous rewards. Then we have the $100 tier. There's only 1 spot left on the $100 tier, by the way. Guys, there's only 1 spot left on the $100 tier. 1. Okay, look at that. There's only 1 spot left on the $100 tier. That shows you just how popular the $100 tier is. This is the teach me senpai, teach me sensei tier, all right? And a lot of guys, like everybody's stuck on this tier. Motivational and self-development tips, guides, and strategies. Tips and strategies for dealing with emotional issues. I will work with you to develop a personal life plan. You get a 15-minute Skype call every month to access development. You get advanced tax strategies, and you get advanced wealth diversification strategies. So, I mean, that's, you really get that, okay? Now, keep in mind, if the $30 tier sells out and there's only 2 spots left on it, then if you want to get access to everything in the $30 tier, then you have to get the $50 tier. And if the $50 tier sells out, then I don't know why there are so many spots. Like, I'm thinking, like, yeah, but anyway, there's 9 spots left on the $50 tier. There's only 2 spots left on the $30 tier. And there's only 1 spot left on the $100 tier. 1 spot left, guys. There's only 1 spot left on the $100 tier. Yeah, a lot of the $50 tier people just upgraded to the $100 tier. All right, a lot of the $50 tier people just upgraded to the $100 tier. Yeah, y'all think this is a game. This is why, like, I'm not gonna be out there helping a bunch of people like that turned like that were like terrible to me and like just attacked me left and right. I'm going to tell y'all to go find God, go find Jesus. I'm telling y'all, go find Jesus. Jesus wants you to help us. Really? All right, we'll go have a chat with him about it. You tell him, say that this angry man is not being a good brother to me. Now, all is not lost. If you are serious and you want to actually begin learning about crypto now and investing in crypto so you can secure your future, head over to cryptomoney.academy. You can head over there, click on the courses section, and start taking a course, because before you can play the game, you've got to know the rules. You can take the Introduction to Cryptocurrency course if you have not done so yet. Do not try to simply invest on your own, or you will lose everything, all right? You will have all of your little dineros taken away by some guy who's experienced, all right? So know what you're doing. Don't, because there is a major learning curve. But I've actually created this introduction course that actually removes a lot of those barriers that confuse people along the way, and have refined this to the point where you can actually understand it and use it to help you to succeed and to be fluent in cryptocurrency. You're going to learn what is cryptocurrency. You're going to learn about the distributed ledger, which is the technology behind the blockchain. You're going to learn what gives cryptocurrency value. You're going to learn how cryptocurrency is created. You're going to learn how to store cryptocurrency. We're talking hardware wallets. We're talking paper wallets. You're going to learn about using cryptocurrency and purchasing cryptocurrency. You're going to learn about introduction to decentralized applications. That's the promise of crypto that no one talks about. You're going to be ahead of the game with that. You're going to learn about the crypto and the Internet of Things. We're talking about smart speakers. Did you know that Microsoft has partnered with a company called IOTA? IOTA is a blockchain. You can actually buy IOTA. It actually stands for Internet of Things, and it allows you to do things like secure smart contracts, to secure data, to make things a lot more transparent. Microsoft actually partnered with them. We're talking about not just Microsoft. We're talking about self-driving cars. This is the Internet of Things. Smart speakers. Your operating system, for example, in the future may be protected by the blockchain, the same technology behind cryptocurrency. Yes. So that's a big deal, but you have to understand this technology. You can't just jump in. You also need to understand initial coin offerings. You can lose a lot of money through initial coin offerings, but you can also make a lot of money through initial coin offerings. But you need to know how to do this, okay? Can you participate? Are you allowed to even participate? What is know your customer? What should you be looking for before you participate? Is this a scam? You need to learn these things, all right? You can even run into situations where the SEC can say, well, you know, we're shutting down this project. Guys, you need to know these rules. You need to understand initial coin offerings. You can make lots of money. I lost easily over $1,000, I would say, when I first started investing, because I did not know what I was doing. Now I'm a seasoned blockchain developer. I've made these mistakes. I've developed my own cryptocurrency. I've invested in in dozens, if not hundreds of cryptocurrencies at this point. So I know the ins and outs of this, all right? I've been working with crypto for years now, and I'm going to teach you everything I know, including the legal side of this, so that you don't make these blunders and lose all your money, all right? You're also going to learn about the different kinds of cryptocurrency, all right? We're talking about private tokens. We're talking about security tokens. We're talking about equity tokens, Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're neither of those. You're going to learn about cryptocurrency investing strategies, and you're going to learn about the importance of consistency and persistence, because you need those two things if you want to survive in the crypto space. Now, if you want to begin day trading crypto, we have an incredible day trading course for you. This course actually gets to the point. So you learn what you need to learn to start day trading crypto. You're going to learn what is day trading cryptocurrency, coin investing resources, reviewing the market cap for coins and trading activity, trading on an exchange, identifying invest-worthy trading volumes and coins, using trading charts to predict outcomes, trading different kinds of trading. So that's the thing that a lot of people don't even understand. You're going to learn that identifying trading cycles, finding the optimal trading window, effective day trading strategy, the fundamentals of taking profit and multi-trading techniques. So you're going to learn how to trade crypto while reinvesting the crypto that you've traded in another cryptocurrency. So you're going to basically be cycling through different cryptocurrencies without losing money. So you're going to be trading using your profits. It's incredible while also taking profit. All right. You need to know how to do this, because a lot of people are going to do this as we're heading into a recession now. So you guys need to know how to do this. All right. Also, if you want to buy cryptocurrency, you're going to need Bitcoins. That's how you buy crypto. You buy cryptocurrency usually using Bitcoins, all right? And so you go and you buy some Bitcoins, and you convert that to you convert that to whatever crypto you want to buy. That's usually how it works. But if you don't know how to do this, you can end up paying 28 cents, getting 28 cents on the dollar for every coin. So for every dollar. So for example, let me explain. You want to buy some Bitcoin, all right, but you don't know how to do it. You're going to find these people. You're going to go to these sites, and you're going to end up having to pay them something like, they're going to give you, for what you would usually get for, let's say $1 of crypto along what would be worth $1 of Bitcoin, they're going to give you 30% of that. 30%, all right, of market value. They're going to give you 30% of market value. And you're going to be grateful for it, because you don't know how else to get Bitcoin. All right. Many of you are thinking, well, I'll just open a Coinbase account. Coinbase is a very, very difficult thing to open up. It took me multiple tries to get it working, because the system is so sensitive that they can literally say, oh yeah, well, we don't like your address, or there's like one little thing missing. I'm telling you, there are horror stories with Coinbase. Don't get me wrong. Having a Coinbase account is amazing and incredible. Many people will never have one. I'm just telling you that right now. You need to know how to buy Bitcoins anonymously and through secret methods, all right? So that you can literally take cash and go buy Bitcoins. I'm going to teach you how to do that using the How to Buy Bitcoins Anonymously and Through Secret Methods course. With this course, if you check out the curriculum, you're going to be buying Bitcoins. You're going to learn the fastest and easiest ways to buy coins online. You're going to learn how to buy Bitcoins anonymously using normal methods. You're going to learn how to buy Bitcoins anonymously using advanced methods. And also, if all else fails, you're going to learn how to buy Bitcoins if all else fails. You're going to learn all these techniques, and you're only getting this for $110. The prices on these courses will be going up. The day trading course is going to be going up to $500. So definitely get it while it is this price. It's only going for $159 right now. This course is going for $110, and the introduction course is going for $150. Again, these prices have been going up every single month, okay? So again, go ahead, pick up the courses, start learning now, because this is it. This is it, guys. Don't waste your time. If you're serious, if you want to secure your future, jump on in, and you can actually message me, ask questions, and I'm here to help you. And guys, if you know one thing about me, I've been around, all right? Compared to other providers, creators, I've been around. I'm here, all right? I don't just, I don't just like vanish like that. You guys have seen me for years, and you know that I am legitimate. You know that I will be there to help you if you want, and you can also check out Patreon if you want even more hands-on. I mean, there you have it, guys. There you have it. That's really all it is. If you don't want to be out there, because I'm telling you, I've done that. I've done it before. I've lived that life, and it's not cool. when you don't have a place to go to the bathroom. Guys, I don't care what industry you work in. I don't care if you're a doctor. You could end up homeless. You think that you're recession proof. No, you're not. You really aren't. You really aren't. All right? It's so sad. Let me actually tell you something about the so-called doctors. A lot of the doctors, they have the least survival skills. Did you hear me? They have the absolute least survival skills. A lot of people in these top jobs, these white guys, they have the least survival skills, all right? It's going to be people with practical skills who can actually survive, who can actually make it. But don't have this mindset where we're going to be headed back to the Stone Age. We're not, okay? Venezuela didn't fall into the Stone Age. The lights didn't go off. They still have Wi-Fi. They just don't have food, all right? I explained that to you really well. Dr. MGTOW says, I'll sell my BCD if it hits $100 each. Okay, so here's the thing. When you sell, guys, like I said, you need to learn how to sell. Don't be a pig. When you are selling, do not be a pig. Don't just keep on waiting until it goes higher. You need to start selling at different points. So for example, if you have $1,000 invested in, let's say you have $1,000 invested in Bitcoin Diamond, and Bitcoin Diamond, and you bought in at $1 a coin, and Bitcoin Diamond now goes up to $10 a coin. So now you're sitting on $10,000, and you're thinking, oh my gosh, this is going to go to $60, okay, or this is going to go to $20. I'd be crazy to sell. Do not have that attitude. You should sell half of that at $10, recoup your investment, and realize a profit. And then the remainder, you can then decide what you want to do with that. From that remainder, you can decide if you want to reinvest that, if you want to keep all of it in Bitcoin Diamond and let it ride, if you want to move some of it into another market. But do not be a pig. Guys, like I said, for those of you that don't understand trading, that don't know when to sell, or when and still trying to figure out when to buy, when to sell, go and pick up the day trading cryptocurrency for a living course, because that one's going for $159 right now. The price has been going up like crazy on those courses. And Dr. MGTOW says, I only have 210 BCD. Okay, Dr. MGTOW, here's the thing. You've got 210 BCD. So that's a decent amount of BCD. But here's the thing. If your BCDs go up to $10 a coin, then that's $2,100 worth of BCD. All right? So you should sell half of those. I would sell 100 of those and then realize a profit of $1,000. And then you can let the remaining $1,100 slide. You could let it ride in the market and let it grow from there. And then when that $1,000 now goes up to $2,000 or $20,000, then you can start doing different things. Yes, Mickey. Mickey, yes, we will definitely do your coaching tomorrow. We'll definitely do your coaching later. Don't worry. Gospel Fisherman says, we are all one step from the cliff. Put on the armor of the Lord and learn to fly. I agree. Dr. MGTOW says, Po.et is at 0.006 with a supply of only 3 billion coins. You have to look at the team. Like I said, guys, I actually go... Sam Raven says it excellent in the chat. He says, stage by stage selling. Correct, Sam. Stage by stage selling. Correct. Exactly. Do not be a pig. Don't try to time the market. And guys, I'm telling you, it's tempting, but don't do it that way, all right? That's how you lose all of your investment. You want to realize a profit. I'm telling you. And I'm going to tell you something. There's going to come a point where you're going to feel like you're tough. And you're like, I'm not afraid. I'm not going to blink. I'm not going to blink. I'm not going to blink. And in the blink of an eye, you lose all your money. All right. Like I said, if you're starting to get into trading or you don't know how to hold, you don't know when to buy, when to sell, definitely pick up the day trading course, because that's going to help you understand the concepts of trading. It's going to teach you how to trade in cryptocurrency and how to realize a profit. That's a really, really important course for everyone to pick up. If you're just getting into crypto though, then you should definitely pick up the introduction to cryptocurrency course. And if you want to start buying Bitcoin, if you want to start buying cryptocurrency, you should pick up you should also pick up the how to buy Bitcoins anonymously and through secret methods course, because it's really hard to buy Bitcoins right now. If you don't have a Coinbase account, then most people don't even know how to get a Bitcoin, and you'll end up losing a lot of money trying to do that. Let me have a look here. All right, guys. So listen. You guys have to do what's right for yourselves. You got to put yourselves first. Well, I put God first, then it's me, and then I worry about everything else. All right. It's God, me, then money. That's how I am. I remember some people I could tell, they're like, hey, am you real? I've never met anyone who loves money as much as you. It's not that I love money. It's just that I don't like poverty. See, do you realize? It's not that I love money. It's just that I don't like poverty. I'm telling y'all, you're like, hey, you're a greedy guy. I'm not greedy. I just don't want to be homeless. All right? I just don't want to be poor. I've done that. I'm not about that life. Now, those of you that want to live that life, do you live that life, okay? Where you sleep on the street and you don't have a place to go to the bathroom except at the side of the road. Go live that life if that's the life you want. If y'all think I'm fear-mongering, all right, please don't come to me when everything goes downhill. And this is what I can't stand. There's going to be so many of you coming to me when everything goes downhill. All right. All these guys, they're going to rush away from TFM. They're going to rush away from Sandman. They're going to rush away from all these other people, and they're going to rush to me because I'm the one who's been talking about making money. None of these other guys, all these guys, they only know how to make money for themselves. They're not teaching you how to make any money. All right. Sandman starts putting up like course, trying to copy my style. And it's going to be basic stuff. All right. I've been doing this for years. I've been prepared, guys. I prepared for the adpocalypse. I prepared for this stuff I prepared for it so long ago, and you guys are now just starting to catch on. You got to be kidding me. Some of y'all, all right? Like I said, you shouldn't be buying when everyone is. You should be buying when everyone is selling, and you should be selling when everyone's buying. You should not be buying when everyone's buying. And let me tell y'all, like I said, you're gonna be buying my crap coins for me for overinflated prices, all right? Because you didn't listen to me, all right? You didn't listen to me. So you're going to be buying my crap coins for overinflated prices, all right? And I'm going to take your money and I'm going to go spend your money on something I enjoy. Spend your money on all kinds of things. And it's none of your business either how I spend it, all right? I'm going to take your little money. I'm going to enjoy taking your little money too. Some of y'all are going to, and you know what's funny? Some of y'all are going to say that I'm ungodly, that I love money more than people. I'm telling you, I know what you're all going to come with. God doesn't tell me to be poor. God doesn't tell me to be a fool. Many of y'all were the same ones attacking me. And now I'm not. And now you want my value for free? Now you want me to believe in you? Some of y'all will change. Well, some of y'all, what you're going to do is you're going to change your names. You're going to change your names. You're going to change your names. This way I can't recognize your name and know who you are. Let me tell you something. God knows who you are, right? So if you were out there attacking me and coming after me and doing all this stuff for so long, God knows who you are. So if you think you're going to sneak back in here trying to act like everything is good, changing your name and acting like you're an angel, God knows who you are. God knows who you are, all right? Sam says, Angry, is your Gmail account still working? I have some questions to ask about one of the courses I purchased later when I get back from work. Yeah, dude, just go ahead and send me an email. Just shoot me an email and I'll explain any questions you've got. Just shoot me an email, dude. Sam says, or is it better through the comments page on the Crypto Academy course? Send me an email because I do look at the comments on the course, but I would recommend sending me an email because that's my personal email address and I respond to those rapidly if you're signed up in one of the courses or if you're one of the patrons. So just send me an email. That way I'll get it. I'll get a notification on my phone, and I can go and get back to you ASAP. So just send me that email, Sam. Guys, like I said, Sam is not going to be homeless. You will, but Sam's not going to be homeless. All right? Sharky damn well doesn't want to be homeless. Sharky's doing he's working his trucker butt off to make sure he doesn't see homelessness. All right? Mickey doesn't want to be homeless. So everybody disliking this video, that may, like all those people, y'all gonna be homeless. Y'all gonna be homeless. It's gonna be rough out there. And I'm telling you, in the wintertime, it's cold. It's cold. Soggy sandwiches, yellow water. Not sure if it's water or piss or a combination. I'm telling you. Nature Monk says most birds know better to survive in nature than human beings. Guys, if y'all think that you're gonna survive, like Nature Monk is this. Let me tell y'all something about nature. He's like this. I've seen pictures of Nature Monk before. He's like this tall. I forget if he's like Swedish or German. He's this like tall Norwegian dude that goes out into the woods. All right, y'all don't have those skills. Y'all don't know those woods. Don't let nature fool you. If y'all don't know what you're doing, you will get lost out there and die out there. Get eaten by a bear. All right. Don't let nature fool you about his peaceful walks. This man knows the woods in the wilderness. Don't think you're gonna have the same luck as nature going out there thinking you'll survive, all right? Shoots. All right, y'all gonna starve out there thinking you're gonna go into the woods and make it out. Must be out of your minds. Must be out of your minds. Thinking y'all gonna go walk around the woods like I'll just live off the land. More like the land is gonna live off you. Anyway. I know some of you are like, what the heck just happened right there? We were just like listening to you AM, and then suddenly you were gone. Guys, yeah, my Streamlabs just crashed. I don't know what happened. It just went like, shh. It just crashed for a moment, and then it came back. It's life. It's life. I actually tried to reopen it twice. Sam says, you better be prepared. You will last 2 days otherwise. Sam says, I have trained in the jungles of Southeast Asia. It doesn't take no prisoners, man. I have trained in the jungles of Southeast Asia. It doesn't take no prisoners, man. I'm telling y'all. Now, nature's actually a coach, believe it or not. So he's gonna charge. So like, listen, I'm actually working with Nature to help him get his courses set up so he can start teaching courses. But let me just tell y'all, Nature's gonna charge you good money. Nature's gonna charge you good money. And let me tell y'all something. If you fly over there talking about like a hands-on experience where he takes you out into the woods, if he has to leave you, he's gonna leave you. He has some kids. I've seen his kids. His kids are beautiful. He's gonna leave you in those woods to get eaten and mauled. He's going home to his kids. I'm telling y'all. Y'all ain't gonna survive this. I'm telling y'all. Y'all are gonna survive this. Y'all not gonna survive this. And if you think that North has a place for you, it's not. Let me tell y'all something. You're not gonna be leading anything. You're gonna be led. All right. I told you. You're gonna see a bunch of. Why do you think North has been this entire time? Where do you think North has been this entire time? He's been working his butt off on that ship. Yes, he has. He's been setting up that ship, buying chains, rope. All right, all kinds of things. Poison. Building cages, jails. Yeah, it's a lot of things. Shackles. I'm telling you guys, it's a lot of things. There's a lot of preparation that goes into this sort of thing. A lot of preparation. But it's okay, because if you believe that everything's gonna be okay, just listen to me when I tell you it's not. It's not, because many of y'all are a bunch of are lazy. You're ill prepared, and the world is gonna catch up on you. Sam says, the traditional angry man laugh. I love it. Sam says, thickest foliage in the world, the tropic and equatorial jungle. Oh my gosh. Some of y'all getting chewed up. Some of y'all getting done by a snake. All right. Got spiders. Got these little spiders. Got these freaking, let's say little. Got spiders as big as your head that just want to take you out. Man-eating spiders. Man-eating spiders. I'm telling y'all. I watch Naked and Afraid all the time. Y'all think it's a game until it's not a game anymore. Until you have, when you have a snake, just like, when you got like a snake tail just like going right at your little poo hole, then all of a sudden it's like, what the heck is a snake doing there? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all. All right? Some jaguar just walking back and forth, licking itself like, my goodness. Look at his chops like, look how tasty you look. Look how tasty you look. I'm going to eat you up. Yes, there are jaguars in those jungles. Jaguars, biggest cats in the world. Well, no, the lions are the biggest cats in the world. Jaguars are some big, big boys too, all right? They're not messing around. Tell you that right now. Tell you that right now. Jaguars are not messing around. All right, when they want to eat, they are going to eat. Oh my gosh. Sam says the angry black fire ants in here are second only to the legendary African army ants in terms of biting power. Guys, let me tell you something about those fire ants. My goodness. I heard a story from my mother when she was a kid about those fire ants, guys. I think she still has the marks from those. When those ants bite you, they leave a mark, all right? That's if they don't kill you. Just telling you the truth. Sam says, angry, I was bummed out after 3 days in the jungle and crossing rivers with my 50-pound backpack. One of the ants bit me, reminding me who's in charge of that joint. I wasn't tired anymore. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm gonna go look at my crypto. I'm gonna go buy some more crypto. Like I said, you can go pick up the courses if you want to. If you want to have a future, go take some go sign up for the patron crypto tier or above, and I actually tell you what coins you should be investing in. I give you tips on not just crypto but also other wealth building tips. But like I said, no one can do it for you but you. Love God, get money. Peace out, players. Yeah.